Do you need to learn how to jump a car? Here are 3 useful tips. 1. To use jumper cables and another vehicle to jump your car. Find a vehicle with a fully charged battery to use for jump starting. Park the assisting vehicle close to the car with the dead battery, making sure that the vehicles do not touch. Turn off the engines of both vehicles and open their hoods. Connect one end of the red jumper cable to the positive terminal plus of the dead battery. Connect the other end of the red cable to the positive terminal plus of the assisting vehicle's battery. Connect one end of the black jumper cable to the negative terminal of the assisting vehicle's battery. Attach the other end of the black cable to a metal surface on the car with the dead battery, away from the battery itself. Start the engine of the assisting vehicle and let it run for a few minutes. Then attempt to start the car with the dead battery. If successful, let it run for a while to charge the battery. Lastly, remove the jumper cables in reverse order. Black cable from the metal surface, black cable from the assisting vehicle, red cable from the assisting vehicle, and finally red cable from the car with the previously dead battery. 2. Alternatively, you can purchase a portable jump starter with sufficient power for your vehicle. Turn off the car's engine and connect the jump starter to the dead battery according to the manufacturer's instructions. Ensure the jump starter is securely connected and turned on. Attempt to start the car's engine. If successful, let it run for a while to charge the battery. Disconnect the jump starter from the battery, following the manufacturer's instructions. 3. If you're uncertain about jump starting a car or don't have the necessary equipment, it's best to call for professional roadside assistance. Contact a reliable roadside assistance service, such as an automobile club or a towing company. Explain the situation and provide your location details. Wait for the professional to arrive, and they will safely jump start your vehicle or provide other solutions.